Hello, everyone. My name is Prince Oba. I'm here to basically discuss about my presentation for Campus Connect projects that we had with my team. As you can see on my screen, Campus Connect's application prototype and what I've learned about Agile project management while working on the project. So Campus Connect application is a student-focused application designed to bring the importance of campus and resources and services together in one place. So the main idea behind this application was to make it easier for students to access information and interact with campus services without having to search through different platforms. So while working on this project, I've learned that developing a product is not only about creating features. It's also important to understand the need of the users and continuously improve the product based on the feedback. So I will introduce you to a slide where this is what Campus Connect application prototype is all about. And this is an individual product and agile project management reflection that I'm currently doing. So in here, this is Campus Connect project. The application, it's actually user-friendly. And the design is around students and needs and usability. And then we develop this using an agile project approach. Then the focus is on collaboration, feedback, and continuous improvement. So what went well while we are working on this project is we use an agile workflow to help organize, visualize the development of this app. And it goes by to do, in progress, in review, testing, and ready for deployment. So we have a clear workflow. The Jira board is what we use to manage our task. And then we have smaller tasks, breaking it into projects, into a manageable task, made possible easier for us to track and discuss our progress. And then we have a WIP limit, which kind of restricts us from having all projects being probably in progress or probably in testing and all that. So with that, we are able to manage whatever we are doing. So that's one thing that went well in our project. Now, areas of improvement. So lessons I learned is that they strengthen communication and requirements before development. So we had issue with communication. So we need to kind of understand ourselves. That's why we are working as a team. We need to kind of understand how to communicate effectively so that we can be able to produce or kind of give an output of whatever we are working on. The tasks could become delayed, blocked, or require additional challenges. And my recommendation is to review requirements and accept criteria before important tasks move into development. So one thing I learned about this on this project actually is I learned to build, review, receive feedback, and improve and continuous delivering value. So my team members also gave me feedback on my own aspect of task. And then what I do was to accept whatever they said and then try to improve and then continue to deliver my own task. So my final takeaway is that Agile is more than completing tasks. It's a way of continuously delivering value, learning from feedbacks and improving the product. So as you can see, this is my Jira dashboard that actually showed what we have done with this project. So as you can see, I have a long chunk of tasks that I do for this project, and same also with other team members and all that. So I kind of focus on developer kind of, yeah, that's majorly my role in this project, and I was able to deliver, and that's why we can have Campus Connect. Campus Connect. So this is the app, and I think I need to log in so that you can see the interface and how it looks like and all that. So this is the app and this is the interface and all that. So you have events. I can go back to home menu, academics. I see my grade and all that. So that's it basically. So thank you for watching my video.